Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can make pattern invisible in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. Suppose when you like to unlock your phone, you need to draw your current pattern. Okay, while you draw your current pattern, the drawing line will be traced out and it will be visible publicly. And if anyone near you can notice it and can identify your pattern. Okay, to hide this tracing of pattern, you can just make it hidden. Okay, while drawing, that line will not be showing publicly. Okay, see here. So first I lock my phone and now it is unlocked due to smart lock, I think. So first turn off smart lock. I go to lock screen, smart lock, on body detection, turn off, trusted place. Okay. Oh, still is it's unlocked, means smart lock is active. So I remove it. See here, this is the pattern I draw. Okay, so while drawing my pattern, what happens? The line is traced out and it's showing. If you want to hide it, yes, you can do it. Go to the settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen, then go to secure lock settings and draw your current pattern. Okay, here you will see one option. First option, make pattern visible. Okay, that means always back pattern is visible when you draw it. Okay, if you turn off this button, pattern is not visible when you draw it. Okay, see here, I lock my phone and now I would like to unlock. Just nothing is showing when you connect one dot to another dot. Okay, so in this way you can easily make pattern invisible. Again I show. Okay, so you can hide your pattern easily. You can hide. Okay, again I go to lock screen, secure lock settings. See here, if you turn on, then it will visible. Okay, so in this way you can easily make your pattern invisible in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.